all my diamonds shine, cause they really diamonds. Bad bitches in line, they be really trying.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Already 808's on heavy. Me and the speakers getting blown in the Chevy like whoa. Hit me on the flip side, girl got a motor and I love the way the whip rides. Certified dope shit, flow sick. Chose for the whole clique, so thick, no shit. Pose for the hoes pick. Then I'm outy with a quickness. How many people you know getting rowdy doing business at the same time? It's game time and my whole crew giving autographs, gang signs. If it ain't about a dollar, it's all about a dime. If it ain't about a dollar, then I'm out of my mind. Get a grip. Went from taking what I was given to taking what I can get. Don't leave any money on the table, that's a tip. Couple rounds down and it's OT. I G-O, then I OD. I'm good. I don't know about you, oh. You got you a hit, well the boy got two. Oh, you can flow a little, well the boy can too. Ain't nothing you can do that the boy can do. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. Haters say get out, the chicks say get at me. They heard about the team and I'm with that.
You
really
dealing
good.
with that new school dude, getting paper like a book. All eyes on me. Oh, tell me how I look. If confidence is key, well then I guess I be a locksmith. Find me on the plane, getting brain in the cockpit. It's obvious my attitude is longitude and latitude. Confusing fools like Rubik's cubes and I ain't even made a move. They don't see my point of view, so I got a point to prove. Once you make the news, single women seem to come in twos. Ironic, but I'm only being honest. If I say that I'm the hottest, it's a promise. I'm done being modest to these artists that be thinking they the hardest out. Large amounts in bank accounts is really what I'm all about. No doubt I'm en route, motherfucker detour. A monster on these beats, yeah, the flow be on that Igor. Packy told him tighten up, Stacks told him line them up. Me, I'm finna light them up, then roll a blunt and get high as fuck.
I don't know about you, oh. You got you a hit, well the boy got two. Oh, you can flow a little, well the boy can too. Ain't nothing you can do that the boy can do. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. Haters say get out, the chicks say get at me. They heard about the team and I'm with that.
Yo, all I hear is high rise this and high rise that. Salute to the sky, cause dog, that's where high rise at. Look, you guarantee hits when high rise at bat. Your girl loving the crew, she got a high rise tat. Damn, man, I put her on everything. Bada boom, bada bing, don't forget your wedding ring. I probably made her sing until I heard that cash came. Then my ass came and changed over to the fast lane. Polo thing without no stain, got the whip dipped in candy rain. From afar look like a smart car, cause you know when it get getting brain. When I'm riding around, I'm getting it. She riding on top and I'm hitting it. I know you hate it, I'm constipated, I really couldn't give a shit. Got the spec on deck, got the tech on deck. Here's a hollow tip, protect your neck, cause I Wu-Tang go bang bang. And that new thing like I flip cane. And Nick's got his kicks out, looking like the high-rise Luke Kane. You better tighten up when we lighten up, cause this strain make it hard to hang like.
I don't know about you, oh. You got you a hit, well the boy got two. Oh, you can flow a little, well the boy can too. Ain't nothing you can do that the boy can do. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. I tell them all tighten up, tighten up. Haters say get out, the chicks say get at me. They heard about the team and I'm with that. I'm really good.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
5 seconds left. If you remain in this zone,
Already 808's on heavy. Me and the speakers give. Okay then, you bullin'? Oh lay then, go ahead and chase your tail. I'ma tell the beat to play that. They let me off the leash, they let me off the leash. Everybody here to see me, give me 10% at least. And I do it for the masses, let a young dude preach. Crew full of raps, so they let a young dude reach for it all. Get the bar, take it vertically. You all on the phone with a girl who prefer to call me. I'm busy though, oh we want a feature, but who is he though? The circles that I'm running around, these spitters got me dizzy. Yo, tell me if I'm blacking out, too late, no backing out. Used to be a quiet kid, but I'm used to bragging now. Since I started rapping, went from Packy No to Packy Now. Beating up the beat, went from Packy Do to Packy Out. And I ain't backing down, I'm laying up. Even when I let the beat breathe, I say enough. Now when I perform, they pay enough. I want the attention, though, and they can't pay enough. I want it all, put me in the game, I want a ball. We just make them nervous in the summer, then we kill them in the fall. I'm a spec boy, aka better than you any day. I'm all up in your girl's radio and getting heavy playing lately. I've been in the studio like every day. Competition sleeping while I flow into the levee break. Oh my, heaven's sake, get a load of this kid. Step into the batter box, take care of my biz quick. Too sick, I don't give 3 shits, make them forfeit, give them high five, hit the door quick. I'm hesitant as ever, but I'm better than I ever been. Represent the people and I never been the president. Every day I'm better than the last one. No spot up in the game, but I'm coming after anybody that has one. And I don't think they'll ever understand me. You can understand me though. I ain't even start rapping till I was like 18. It was just a hobby, now the plan B is looking like a probably. I put music over most of it, fam over everything. Now they going hand in hand, I'm seeing what my talent bring. It's a lot of balancing, hope it don't fail me now. If I don't make it, they could tear me down. Went from flows on flows to shows on shows. I need more time though to expose my bros to the fine things in life like chose on chose. A bank account that's got O's on O's, that's 6 figs at least off sick lines and beats. And never worrying about rent, time and eats. It's out there, right? I'm about that life. If it's out there, then I'm all about that life. About that life, about that life. If it's out there, then I'm all about that.